Hello my dear students, good morning all of you. How are you all? Well, today we are going to read chapter 6 from your literature book, The Great Escape. I am going to make you understand the story of this chapter. So I request you all to keep your book with you. Open chapter 6, The Great Escape. It has been written by L. Frank Baum. Remember this, students? Now let's start the story. Dorothy, a young girl, gets carried away from her home by a cyclone. Cyclone means a storm with strong winds. She reaches the magical land of Oz, where she meets the Cowardly Lion, the Tin Woodman, and the Scarecrow. Now what do you mean by Tin Woodman, beta? Tin means a silver white metal, and woodman, woodcutter, who cuts down trees, and the Scarecrow. Now underline this word scarecrow. It means a model of a person dressed in old clothes. Okay. Dorothy wishes to go back home. अब जो डॉरथी थी वो अपने घर वापस जाना चाहती थी. The lion wants courage. और लाइन को क्या चाहिए था? Courage. What do you mean by courage? Being brave, बहादुर बनना. The woodman wants a heart and the scarecrow wants a brain. तो ये सब उन सब की डिज़ायर थी. डॉरथी को घर वापस जाना था, लाइन को करेज चाहिए था, वुडमैन को हार्ट चाहिए था और स्केयरक्रो को ब्रेन. They decide to travel to the Emerald City to meet the great wizard of Oz. Now what do you mean by wizard, beta? Wizard means a man who has magical powers. Along the way, they meet strange new people and have many different adventures. Now what we are going to read in the story कि उनका adventure कैसा रहा, उन्हें कौन कौन मिला रास्ते में, and how they met the great wizard of Oz. Dorothy, the Cowardly Lion, the Tin Woodman, and the Scarecrow were walking through the forest when they saw a ditch. Now what do you mean by ditch? Ditch means a long and narrow hole dug at the side of a field. तो जब वो सब जा रहे थे तो उन्हें रास्ते में क्या मिला? Ditch मिली. It was a very wide and deep ditch with big pointed rocks at the bottom and steep sides. What do you mean by steep side? Means rising sharply. What shall we do? asked Dorothy sadly. और डॉरथी ने कहा कि अब हम क्या करेंगे? We must try and jump over it, said the Scarecrow. I think I could jump over it, said the Lion, after looking at the ditch carefully. तो लाइन ने क्या बोला? I think I could jump over it, कि मैं इसके ऊपर से कूद सकता हूँ. Then you can carry us all over on your back. फिर तो तुम क्या करो, हम सबको अपनी बैक पे बिठाओ और हमें ले जाओ. One at a time, said the Scarecrow. एक एक करके. I am terribly afraid of falling myself. तो कावरली लाइन ने क्या कहा कि I'm terribly afraid. Terribly afraid means extremely, very extremely afraid of falling myself, said the lion, but we must try. I will go first. If you cannot jump over the ditch and fall, it would not hurt me at all, said the Scarecrow. The Scarecrow sat upon the lion's back. Then, with a great spring, now what do you mean by spring? Jump. The lion shot through the air. Shot through the air means went high up in the air and landed safely on the other side. और वो दूसरी साइड पे आराम से पहुंच गया, मतलब came down to the ground. They were all very pleased to see how easily he did it. और उसको बहुत अच्छा लगा उन सबको देख के कि कितना easily लायन ने ये कर दिया. One by one, the lion carried all of them and landed safely on the other side. और फिर लायन ने क्या किया? वन बाय वन उन सबको अपनी बैक पे बिठा के दूसरी साइड पर लैंड हो गए सेफली. आफ्टर रेस्टिंग फॉर अ वाइल, और कुछ देर आराम करने के बाद, दे स्टार्टेड वॉकिंग अलॉन्ग द रोड. सून दे हर्ड स्ट्रेंज नॉइसेस फ्रॉम डीप इनसाइड द फॉरेस्ट. और कुछ देर रेस्ट करने के बाद उन्हें क्या सुनाई दी? स्ट्रेंज नॉइसेस, आवाज़ें आई फ्रॉम डीप इनसाइड द फॉरेस्ट. The lion whispered. Now whispered means speak very softly. That must be the Kalidas. They live in this part of the country. तो लायन ने क्या कहा, ये ज़रूर कलीदास हैं जो यहाँ पर रहते हैं. What are Kalidas? asked Dorothy. Dorothy ने पूछा कौन है वो. They are frightening beasts. Beast क्या होते हैं बेटा? Monster. With bodies like bears and heads like tigers, replied the lion. लायन ने क्या कहा कि वो मॉन्स्टर्स हैं, उनकी बॉडी तो बेर्स जैसी है और हेड्स कैसे हैं? टाइगर्स जैसे. With long and sharp claws, I am very afraid of the Kalidas. तो लायन ने क्या कहा कि मुझे तो बहुत डर लगता है इनसे. They came to another ditch across the road, but this one was so broad and deep that the lion knew he could not jump over it. अब वो क्या हुआ, वो दूसरी डिश के पास पहुँचे क्रॉस द रोड, और लाइन को क्या लगा कि मैं ये जंप नहीं कर पाऊँगा. सो दे सैट डाउन टू थिंक व्हाट दे कुड डू. तो वो लोग बैठकर सोचने लगे कि अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं. द स्केयरक्रो सेड, दिस ट्री इज़ वेरी क्लोज टू द डिच. If the Tin Woodman can chop it down, it will fall to the other side and we can walk over it easily. Scarecrow ने क्या कहा कि ये ट्री ना बहुत पास है डिश के, और अगर टिन वुडमैन इसको चॉप कर देगा, काट देगा, तो ये गिर जाएगा. It will fall to the other side and we can walk over it easily. और हम इसके ऊपर आराम से चल सकेंगे, जा सकेंगे. That is a great idea, said the lion. One would almost think you had brains instead of straw. The woodman set to work and chopped the tree. और woodman ने क्या किया, काम करना शुरू किया और उसने पेड़ को काट दिया. Then the lion put his front legs against the tree and pushed it. और फिर lion ने क्या किया, lion put his front legs against the tree. Against the tree means close to the tree, touched the tree and pushed it. और उसको धक्का दिया. Slowly the big tree tipped. Tipped means bent. Bent means झुका हुआ. And fell with a crash across the ditch with its top branches on the other side. और क्या हुआ, वो पेड़ दूसरी साइड पे जाके गिर गया, क्रैश हो गया. They had just started to cross the bridge when a sharp growl. Growl means deep and angry sound, बहुत गुस्से वाली. Made them all look up. और उन्हें एकदम से देखा कि क्या है ये. They saw two great beasts with bodies like bears and heads like tigers running towards them. और क्या देखा उन्होंने कि दो beast उनकी तरफ दौड़े चले आ रहे हैं. The Kalidas, said the lion. और lion ने क्या कहा, अरे ये तो कलीदास ही हैं. Beginning to shake with fear, और वो डरने लगा. Stand close behind me, I will fight them as long as I am alive. और उसने क्या कहा कि मेरे पास खड़े हो जाओ, मेरे पीछे खड़े हो जाओ. I will fight them as long as I am alive. The lion turned to face the Kalidas and gave out a loud and terrible roar. Terrible means very unpleasant. Out of fright. Out of fright क्या हुआ बच्चा? Because of fear, डर के मारे. Dorothy screamed. Dorothy चिल्लाई. And the scarecrow fell over backwards. The Kalidas stopped and looked at the lion in surprise. तो कलीदास ना रुक गए और उन्होंने देखा लायन को सरप्राइज वे में. But seeing they were bigger than him, they rushed forward and began to cross the bridge. और ये देखा कि वो तो बिगर हैं, उनसे बड़े हैं, तो they rushed forward and began to cross the bridge. Hurry up, cried the scarecrow. Let's cross over. और scarecrow ने क्या कहा, जल्दी करो, हम यहाँ से चले जाते हैं. The four of them crossed the bridge as quickly as they could. Once they reached the other side, the scarecrow asked the Tin Woodman to chop away the end of the tree that was on the other side of the ditch. Scarecrow ने क्या कहा Tin Woodman को कि अब जल्दी से तुम इसको चॉप कर दो फिर से इस ट्री को, ताकि ये गिर जाए. Quick, cried the scarecrow. जल्दी करो. The woodman began to use his axe at once. Axe क्या होता है बेटा? Tool. The Kalidas had almost crossed the bridge when the tree fell with a crash into the ditch along with the beast. और फिर क्या हुआ, जैसे ही कालिदास पहुंचने लगे, क्रॉस करने लगे ब्रिज को, तो ट्री क्रैश होके नीचे गिर गया और वो बीस्ट भी गिर गए. Well, said the lion, drawing a long breath of relief. Drawing a long breath of relief means बच्चा feeling very happy because something unpleasant has not happened, कि कुछ गलत नहीं हुआ, कुछ बुरा नहीं हुआ. Those creatures frightened me so badly that my heart is still beating. उन क्रिएचर्स ने तो मुझे डरा ही दिया था, मुझे अभी भी मेरा दिल बहुत तेज़ तेज़ धड़क रहा है. said the Tin Woodman sadly, I wish I had a heart to beat. और फिर टिन वुडमैन ने क्या कहा कि काश मेरे पास दिल होता. The four travelers kept walking until they could see a yellow brick road and green meadows on the other side of a broad river. Soon they saw a delightful country before them. और फिर उन्होंने क्या देखा कि एक बहुत सुंदर सी कंट्री है उनके सामने. So this was all about the chapter The Great Escape. I hope you all enjoyed it. So we will meet again with a new topic. Till then, bye. Take care. God bless you.